Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're like me, then you're always trying to find healthier snacks for you and your family. Let me show you what I just found. Perfect keto bars are one of the cleanest keto snacks I have found. I love the fact that they have collagen that is grass-fed and MCT oil, and this is sweetened with stevia and monk fruit. Very high quality ingredients. The fact that are pre-packaged make it super easy for you to bring on the go, and I love this mix, which is peanut butter with chocolate chips. Yep, you heard right. It's delicious, and I love that it doesn't have a tiny bit of chocolate chips, but it has plenty. This is not a hard bar or a chewy one that gets stuck all over your teeth, but it's perfectly soft. I love bringing it with me to satisfy that sweet sugar craving or just for a snack. My husband loves them as well, and I love the fact that this has 18 grams of fat, 13 grams of protein, and only 3 grams of carbs. This is a great snack which is not only healthy but delicious as well. So talking about raising the bar, this has been my favorite, and that is just my point of view.